Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your Reddit content language. So if you wish to see content in a language of your own choice, it's pretty simple. You can change this on Reddit. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, to change your content language on Reddit rather than the current language, just log into your Reddit account and then head to your profile icon on top here. From this, go to settings down below, and then under settings here, head to preferences. Now here you can see under language you have display language. This is the language of communication and navigation, and then we have content languages. So we have quite a number of languages here, and you can see there are quite a number of them. So choose your own preferred content language, and then once you have chosen, now you should see we have this option for done will be activated. So that's how you can choose or change your content language on Reddit. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.